Good afternoon. My name is Lady Bobella and I'm currently a student taking fundamentals of environmental health. Today is May 10th, 2019, and I will be discussing environmental data assignment. So today I will discuss what is cholera and what are the risk factors as well as what we are the most affected. We will also discuss symptoms, treatments, preventions, as well as a closer look at maintenance. So, what is cholera? According to the World Health Organization, cholera is an acute disease that can kill within hours if left untreated. Each year, there are 1.34 million cases of cholera and 21 to 140,000 cases of deaths worldwide due to cholera. And it is caused by an infection of the intestine with pathogenic bacteria. Some history of cholera. It is said that cholera has been around for centuries, but the disease came to light in the 19th century. And the sixth pandemic originated in India, and it was spread, killing millions around the world. Gaspar Correa, a Portuguese historian and author of Legendary India, described an outbreak in the spring of 1543. The people called the disease Morassi, and it killed victims within 8 hours of developing symptoms, and the fatality rate was so high that it was a struggle to bury the dead. And from this class, we also learned about John Snow, a British physician that was able to map cholera cases and was able to identify the source of the disease, which was contaminated water from a public water plant. He convinced public officials to remove the pump handle, and this stopped the cholera cases. The following table shows you the number of cholera cases by region between the year 2006 and 2016. As you can see, Africa has about 1.2 million cases of cholera between 2006 and 2016. The Americas is the second in line with the highest number of cholera cases, and the number is 830,000. In this graph, you will see the same information as the prior slide in a graphical form. In the graph on the left, you can see how Africa has the most cases, a little bit over 1.2 million. On the graph on the right, you will see the same information, but this time this graph is able to tell you that in 2011, the Americans had 361,000 cases. So what happened in 2011 in the Americas? When I created another graph just so that way I can see which countries were affected, I saw Haiti was the main country affected. And what happened in 2011? As you may know, Haiti experienced a devastating earthquake that killed and injured many and left up to 1.6 million homeless and displaced. And one of the risk factors for cholera is humanitarian crisis because of displacement and inadequate overcrowded camps. And this gives opportunity to not so sanitary conditions. There's no clean water and there's too many people. In this graph, I wanted to see which countries in Africa had the most cases between the years 2006 and 2016. And this was the Democratic Republic of the Congo with 267,000 cases. Similarly to what I did with the Americas, I wanted to know if there was a particular year that had most cases, and it turns out that 1994 was a year where this country had the most cases. I was also curious about what caused this, and it seems that an, a massive inflow of refugees from Rwanda and Burundi came to that country, and the same thing occurred: displacement and overcrowding, similarly as what happened in Haiti, happened in 1994 in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. So, in conclusion, we are going to discuss some of the symptoms, which are diarrhea. It can take between 12 to 5 days for a person to show symptoms after ingesting contaminated food or water. Some people infected may not develop symptoms, but the bacteria present in their system goes back to the environment, and that means the infection can spread to others. Another symptom can include vomiting, leg cramps. These cause dehydration, septic shock, and death within hours. The treatment includes fluid replacement and antibiotics. There's also cholera vaccines, even though they only offer 65% immunity. And cholera can be endemic, where confirmed cholera cases were detected during the last 3 years with evidence of local transmission. In cholera endemic countries, outbreaks can be seasonal or sporadic. Cholera transmission is linked to inadequate access to clean water, like we saw in some of the cases in Africa, and sanitation facilities. So this happened in the Haiti earthquake, and it also happened in the 1994 case where all these refugees started coming into the Democratic Republic of the Congo. So humanitarian crisis increases the risk of cholera transmission because of the displacement and inadequate crowding of people. To prevent and control, we have to have a multi-level plan: surveillance, water sanitation and hygiene, social mobilization, treatment, and oral vaccines have to be used. All right, that is all. Thank you.